Hey, welcome to another day, and it's day 3, and we are not baby boy anymore in Premiere Pro. We know a lot of things. And if you are new or if you missed the previous two days tutorial, then you can always go back and check the two video. Okay, let's check what we have learned in the previous 2 days. Now we can import our video, clips, or other things, images, audio, and everything. We can cut, we can ripple edit, we can ripple delete, and we can make sequence. We can create a slow-mo video, not only slow-mo but also fast forward. Then what? We know enough to make a video, man, and it's true. Then why I'm making this video? Okay, from today we will learn how to make our video more beautiful, more eye-catchy, more dynamic. We'll concentrate the makeup box of Premiere Pro, the makeup box of video editing. So let's get it started. Okay, today our first topic is transition. First we should know what is transition. A transition is an effect added between pieces of media to create an animated link between them. Transitions are used to move a scene from one shot to the next. Remember, transitions are used in case of audio also. Okay, this is the theory part. Let's jump into the practical thing. First, import the two clips on the timeline, and I don't want the audio, so tell me what I need to do. Yes, you are right. Double click on the clip and then drag the video file from the source monitor. And if you need, you can trim your clip from here also. Do the same with the other clip. And now see, I have not applied any transition to this, but the fun fact is it is also a one type of transition. Maybe it is called the cut transition. So by default, placing one clip next to another in a timeline panel results in a cut, where the last frame of one clip is followed by the first frame of the next. Transitions are usually placed on a cut line between shots. Now let's see how can apply. Come into the middle of the two clip and right click on the mouse, and here you will find apply default transition option. And if you click, look, it's done. It's really easy and fast. Give a clap for me. It's really easy. So look at it is the cross dissolve transition. I love this one. And you can also control the duration of transition. Come into the in point and drag and set the duration. And another thing, we can control the alignment also. For this, go to the effect controls and see from here you can set your transition from center at card, start at card, end at card. Also you can custom. Okay, this is simple default transition. But we want more, so let's find the others. Now go to the effects from here. You can also go to the effects workspace. Both will do the same work, but this is easy. And look, there are folders of video and audio transition. And there are a lot of transitions, you can easily use them. Okay, let's expand the dissolve folder. Look, we have found our transition that we used. And there is a blue box. That means it is the default transition. You can also change it. To change, just right click on any transition and you will find the option. That's easy. Okay, we can't wait. We want to apply now. Okay, let's delete the transition first. To delete, just click on the transition and press delete button on your keyboard. Okay, let's try this. Click and drag it. Now look. It looks great. It's done. It's really easy. Let's try another one. But it's lagging, right? Okay, just press enter to render this frame. Now look, the red color turned into green. Now have a look. It looks nice now. Let's see another one. Cross zoom. Click and drag and now see. So it is really easy. You can use just a simple transition or some fancy transition. So keep practicing with them and find the best one for your video. Okay, we have another topics to learn in day 3 and we will learn about the motion effects. So let's start. Do you know every clip that you add to your timeline as you work in Premiere Pro has the motion effect already applied to it by default? Now we'll learn how to manipulate them. So let's start. You can see on my timeline there are 2 clips actually. This is the one and another one is on the top of the first one. Using the motion effect, you can change the position, scale, or you can rotate a clip within the video frame. Maybe you have seen a lot of videos on YouTube like this. This is created by using this motion effect. To apply or manipulate this effect, first select the clip you want to work with. Next, go to the Effect Control tab on Source Monitor. If you do not see it, go to the window, then Effect Controls. Click the triangle to the left of motion to open the controls. And here you will find the option of position, scale, rotation and anchor point. So you can change the anchor point also from here. Actually, position, scale or rotate the clip. Those values are calculated by the clip's anchor point, which is the center of the clip by default. Okay, now let's come back into the position option. You will find 2 values. One is for x-axis and another one is for y-axis. Now if I click on this value and drag like this, look, the position of the clip is changing on the x-axis or horizontally. You can also change its position vertically by changing this value. And then you can easily reset this value by clicking on this icon. It's easy. And then by this scale option, you can make your video small or large. And now you can easily create this type of video, right? Let's see the result. It's nice. By the way, you can also move your clip from the program window. Just double click on the clip and you will get a transform option. And now you can click and move like this. And you can also resize it like this. And from the rotation option, you can also rotate the clip. And then this is your anchor point. You can simply click and move your anchor point. If I move this point here and change the scale or something, look, it is changing on the basis of the anchor point. So it's all about motion. Okay, now I'll talk about the keyframe. A keyframe marks the point in time where you specify value such as position, opacity, or scale. In the second portion of the video, we did a normal job. That was pretty easy. And this part will do that in more dynamic way. Okay, I'm gonna first start off by using the scale parameter. To turn keyframe on, just click on this stopwatch icon. When you turn it on, you will find a diamond-shaped keyframe point here. Look at this. This is your start point. You can also drag this point and place it where you like. We have not changed anything or any value yet, so you don't find anything in the video. Now if I add another keyframe point here and set the value here 50. Remember, this is the end point. So now we have a keyframe of 100 at the beginning and 50 at the end. Now let's go back and press play. Now look, wow, it slowly zooms out. It looks great. In the second portion, we did the same thing, but that was not smooth enough. But look, now it zooms out in a smooth way. This is very nice. And you can drag your keyframe like this and set the start and end position. And you can do the same thing with the other parameter also, like position, rotation. You can add multiple keyframes to get different kind of effects. Keyframe is very useful for editing. It gives you the option to create different kind of effects. And you can do it with the picture also. Just add the start keyframe and the end keyframe and set the value of parameters and then enjoy. You can also apply this effect on a single clip also. Like this. And create zoom in and zoom out effect. So that's all for today. If you have anything to say or anything to ask, just comment on the comment box. I'll try to cover up in the next video. And if you are new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button, not only the subscribe button, but also the bell icon. And you can also support me on Patreon. So keep learning and keep practicing with me.